Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best ways to maximize your rewards points. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Chase Sapphire points to United Airlines. Whether you're planning a dream vacation or just want to book a quick getaway, this process can help you turn those points into miles for flights and more. It's easier than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need an active Chase Sapphire credit card account with some points accumulated, and a United Airlines MileagePlus account. If you don't have a MileagePlus account yet, head over to the United website and sign up. It's free and quick. This ensures your points land in the right place without any hitches. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. You can do this via the Chase mobile app or their website. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards, or Ultimate Rewards, section. It's usually front and center. Here, you'll find an option for Transfer to Travel Partners. Click on that to see your list of partners. Step 2. Scroll through the partners until you spot United Airlines. Chase Sapphire points transfer to United at a generous 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 1 point equals 1 mile. That's awesome because you get maximum value. Select United from the list, and then choose the exact amount of points you want to transfer. Double-check this number, as transfers are typically irreversible. Step 3. Review the transfer details, including any potential confirmation emails or processing times. Hit the Transfer button, and you're done. Your points should show up in your United MileagePlus account within a few hours, though it can take up to 48 hours in some cases. A quick tip. Always keep an eye out for promotions from Chase, like bonus transfer rates, which can make this even more worthwhile. Remember, transferring points is a great way to unlock travel perks, but use them wisely to get the best deals. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chase Sapphire points to United Airlines. If you follow these steps, you'll be jetting off in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.